If somebody has access to your iPhone, it takes only 30 seconds for them to hop in there and change your Apple account. And they don't need any of your passwords. If your phone is unlocked, they don't need the iPhone password. They don't even need your old Apple account password to change it to whatever they want. Essentially, they can see your email that you use to log into your Apple account and then change that password to whatever they want. Somebody could do this maliciously if they take your iPhone while it's unlocked, or if a thief sees you type in your password and then takes it and then just opens up your phone. However, there are a number of different things you can do to protect yourself before that happens. So let me jump right in. So we're going to open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and I'll show you how easy it is to change your Apple account password. Tap on your name at the top. Tap on Sign In and Security, and then tap on Change Password. Just like this, I don't need to type in anything except the passcode I use to unlock my phone, and I'll be able to change that Apple account password. You can see if somebody knows your password to unlock your phone, or if they see you type it in over your shoulder, they'll be able to enter in a new Apple account password without doing anything else. They don't need to have two-factor authentication or verify anything. They can just change it right here. However, there are two ways we can protect ourselves. So tap on the back arrow until we get back to the beginning and scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter in the passcode for your phone that you use to unlock it. The first option that you have is to scroll down and choose Stolen Device Protection. It says this adds another layer of security in case your iPhone is stolen. So if you turn this on, essentially this prevents anyone from changing that Apple account password. However, they will have to go through a security delay to turn this off. That is essentially, if I turn this off, you'll be able to see I can use my Face ID. Let me use it real quick. And it will start to count down. Well, I just turned it on, but normally it will start to count down for 1 hour, essentially giving you an hour to go in on iCloud.com and lock this iPhone before somebody changes that password. However, there's a better option you have. Let's go back to the beginning of your settings and then tap on Screen Time. After you've done that, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle this on. Essentially what we're going to do is set a passcode that is different from the passcode that we use to unlock your phone, and it will prevent anyone from changing your Apple ID account. So tap on Accounts here, and it says Allow changes to your account. Switch this to Don't Allow. This will prevent them from changing that Apple ID password. However, after we've gone back out of here, you'll be able to see at the top, I can't tap on my name. Essentially, this turns off this functionality, so just keep in mind when you want to go back in here, you'll need to go in here and go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it off. However, you might be thinking, well, anybody can then just go in here and toggle it off. But the sneaky part is we're going to tap on Lock Screen Time Settings. And it says set a screen time passcode. So this doesn't have to be the same passcode you use to unlock your phone. It can be a separate private password. Of course, you'll need to remember it, but let's hit 1111. And of course, use something a little bit more difficult. And you can enter in your Apple ID email address or phone number just as a recovery. I would highly recommend doing this. But just for right now, I'm just going to hit cancel and skip. Now, after I've done that, essentially anybody that hops into your iPhone will not be able to tap on your name to change your Apple ID password. And even if they go into Screen Time, and they know to go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and they know from here to go down to Accounts, Allow Changes To. If I switch it to Allow, it will pop up with this Enter Screen Time passcode. So if they know the passcode to unlock your iPhone, they can no longer go in there and change that Apple account password. They'll also need to know that Screen Time passcode as well. Again, just keep in mind, you'll need to enter this in and turn it off if you ever want to make changes to your Apple account as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.